Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I can change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss that.
Time to go find some treasure. I was meaning to get up early and go get there before everyone else, but instead of that I just slept.
They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy.
Alright, I'm not stalling. I'm waiting for this literal school of children. It's like super busy here, which is awesome. Fantastic. I don't know, it looks cold. If I get in there and nobody's left me anything good, I'm going to be real angry, so yeah, I don't know. Big gamble. Oh well, let's just hope people are generous around here. So obviously I found a moment when the place cleared out, so I went down and got in. This was the first time I'd had the metal detector in the water, and I was just figuring it out. It didn't take long to find this piece of rubbish under some stones, which was pretty cool because it meant I must have been doing something right. I tried to head down into some deeper water under the bridge because that's where people jump in, but I was kind of struggling. It was hard to stay near the bottom as I just kept floating back up. I was running out of breath pretty fast in the cold water, and I was also trying to hold the GoPro on my mouth at the same time, since I needed my hands to hold onto the riverbed and stop me floating. I was too busy trying to figure out a technique for staying down there while filming that I didn't get a chance to actually do any detecting. At that point, the hordes of kids came swarming back and were shouting at me, trying to make me do things and stressing me out. So I figured I'd come back at a better time. Yeah, you can listen to me moan about it for a bit. Well, I gave it a weak attempt. There was a lot of children around, which I don't like. And there was actually this other girl came and was swimming with her dog. And I emerged out of the depths with my scuba goggles on and stuff. And yeah, it was awkward, so. Also, some of the rocks were metallic, and I don't mind finding trash and cleaning trash up out of the river, but I'm not going to be like, all I was finding was rocks. The river is made out of rocks, and if they're metallic, I'm not going to get far, so yeah. But I reckon I can find a better spot anyway, so let's give it a shot. After all that babbling, I drove to one of our nice black sand West Coast beaches. Alright, so I'm at a beach. The weather is terrible. Which are known to be so high in minerals that they actually get mined for the iron and other metal content. So you can imagine that was also quite frustrating for me. I think my metal detector might be too budget for this beach, because it's iron sand. You can metal detect in black sand, but you have to be able to differentiate between the different types of metals, and I'm not sure that my metal detector can do that. Alright, day 2 of metal detecting. It's serious now. I've got a plan, I know what I'm doing. Nothing's gonna stop me today. I didn't want to sleep in again, so instead of worrying about waking up late, I just stayed up the whole entire night. It's easy to get up before the sun comes up if you're up before the sun goes down. Alright, time to go to stop 2. I got sick of the first spot. I'm not saying I regret the way that I've been doing things, but I am starting to find drawbacks to my method of getting up early, so maybe anyone that's like not as strong mentally or physically as me, maybe consider another option that you could get a clock, or those pillows aren't for napping, just yeah, they were already there. Alright, let's go through the value of some of this stuff. Alright, so the top row, we have literal garbage, just, I don't even know what these bits of steel are. This is a pretty nice nut and bolt, but it's extremely rusty, obviously. Bottle caps, that's not even metal, I just found that. Sitting on the bottom of the river. This bracelet maybe was someone called Sam. Don't really know what all the other letters are for, but it says Sam a couple of times. That may have sentimental value to someone, but I doubt it. It's pretty much worthless garbage, I think. The only thing of any value here is this 50-cent coin. Obviously that's worth 50 cents, so awesome. Well, that was a lot of effort, but was it worth it? So we come up with a profit of 50 cents from the stuff we found, and then if you take off the expenses, maybe like, we'll go easy on the expenses and we'll say 50 bucks for fuel and all that, then basically we come up with a profit of negative 49.50, and also my metal detector stud in the middle snapped, so that just flops around now. So, but you know, maybe I had fun doing it, so there's that, maybe. Well, anyway, that's the end of this video for now. I'm definitely gonna find some treasure one day. I'm gonna find the best treasure, but I don't have time for that right now. I have other things to do. It's actually pretty cool being able to find stuff, even if it's just junk. Now I've got to get rid of all that stuff I dragged home. But a small price to pay for a cleaner environment. While I was searching for treasure, I did find this cool little spot. It looks like there's a little stream that heads down to a little pool with a big waterfall in it, which I never knew was there. I actually never been to that spot before, so obviously, but yeah, I'm definitely going to go check that out, so that was worth finding. Catch you next time.